This week I'm sharing 4 incredibly easy fall desserts you can make with just a few ingredients from Dollar Tree, and today we're making these salted caramel brownies. We are starting by preparing and baking a box of fudge brownie mix according to the box instructions and letting those cool completely. For the caramel sauce, I am using a small bag of Werther's Chewy caramels. Just unwrap them all, place them in a bowl with 1 to 2 tablespoons of water, and microwave this for about 1 minute. Give it a good stir and you've got a thick, delicious caramel that takes pretty much no effort. Once the brownies are cooled, drizzle on that caramel and finish it off with a sprinkle of coarse sea salt, and you've got a sweet and salty treat that is sure to be a hit. Follow along for 3 more easy desserts that won't break the bank.